I have been shopping on Farfetch major sale. I really like this one. So what do we think? Hey guys, it is Monday. It is hot as hell here, so I look like this today. So I have been in a shopping, I don't even know what to call it. In the last vlog you have seen me buy 2 Fendi scarves, a Gucci bracelet, Fendi earrings and a dress. And today I received another 2 packages. I do get, I believe, 2 more tomorrow. I have been shopping on Farfetch because they have major sale. This is pretty basic, but I also need cute basics. Like a green tank top from Pinko. So this one didn't have a major sale. 72 euros for a tank top. That is quite a lot of money. But it was, to be fair, it was 100 euros. I would not buy a basic tank top for 100 euros, but apparently I would for 72. Then the other one. Okay, so this is a Karl Lagerfeld package. So I bought it. You know how I sold it to myself? I really need new socks, and these were on sale for 21 euros and 60 cents. 2 tops that I'm not going to wear right now. It is that time again. Cannot do anything. I just filled our air cooler with ice, so maybe that helps. Looking out for another, anyone will do. You're in the mood for a dance. And when you get the chance, you are the dancing queen, young and sweet, only 17. Dancing queen, feel the beat from the tambourine. Every once in a while, I check the Disney shop and I look if I see any sweaters because I love Disney sweaters. This one, I like the colors. I love the colors. I'm just not a very big fan of like... Another thing I saw was I love that they have something from the Fox and the Hound. I just don't love the sweater. I feel like this is such a granny sweater, you know? If this would be in like a jersey like this, I would love to buy it, but this one, no. Ever since I stayed in the Cinderella suite, I'm all back with Cinderella again. So I think I will buy this one. I like it so much. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to do it right now. Just one thing that I always have with the Disney shop and buying things on there is that I often see things that I love, but then I'm like, yeah, no. I just want to buy my Disney sweaters in Disney, but then when I don't have any Disney plans, then I'm like, yeah. Do you want to go outside? Meow. Meow. Okay. And then this is the breakfast. Apparently it's healthy. I'll take like oatmeal with chocolate every day. Okay, so I received a couple of things already a while ago, but let's start with the Lululemons. You will not be surprised that I love color. I usually wear a lot of bright colors, also when working out. I also bought these sport bras from Gymshark. 3 colors. They are divine. They are amazing. They are not in a way but they look amazing. They keep everything in place. Okay, and then this is the Lululemon top. Isn't it a little weird? It looks like it should. No, this looks so weird. So much better, right? This is the other one. It's super like loose, it's super thin. It is a super nice fabric. I really like this one. So I bought this one. It is super large. This is a medium, so I bought a medium. So what do we think? It is super huge. This can be like a shirt that you wear when you're just not really feeling it, but still want to like look kind of cute. Because I do think this would really look good with like my pendant necklace. Yes, this is a keeper. This was 70 euros in the sale. The other one is tighter. I bought that in a size bigger. This is more like an off-shoulder kind of a thing. So, what do we think? Do we like this or not? But I do like it. Not that bad, right? Keeper also. Also 70 euros. That was what I bought, and now it is time to make some breakfast. And I will promise to bring you with me more because I totally forgot this week. This week has been more about actually doing the work for Maps and Suitcases. And always when I'm like editing or doing other stuff, I always forget to turn on my camera because I'm not in content creation mode, but I am in editing like other things in that mode. So okay, I genuinely hope that you can still hear me because my air cooler is blowing. I am so done with this heat. Just give me like an after summer, okay? After summer, like 22, 23 degrees and sun and a little breeze, and please. We are unboxing yet another thing. The story behind this is basically I have been working on giving my bedroom like that luxury upgrade because I feel like your bedroom is so important. I already have new sheets, I already have extra pillows, and now I also have this. Or I'm just going to destroy this box. Yes. You can see it better. This is going to be my breakfast tray. I'm also currently looking for a pretty nightstand. I just want to have my things with me. And I want to be able to put my book there. I want to be able to have my hand cream there so that when I go to sleep, I can just put on my hand cream, my glass of water. But now I have it on my desk. So I literally have to crawl to the foot end of my bed to put away the things. That's annoying. That's not a luxury bedroom. So yeah, we are working on that.